Alright, people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully, you guys are doing good. I'm going to turn down the volume just a little bit. Hopefully, you guys are doing good, and hopefully, everyone is having a good day. I am sure the Reggae Boy fan base are having a good time. I'm sure. I am sure. I am sure of that. Yeah. So we're gonna have a look at the three goals, the three opening goals, and the reason why I'm gonna look at the three opening goals is the connectivity, the connection, the display that we saw from our attacking front line. And this is something that we've been asking about: scoring goals from open play, transition football, fluidity within the front line, front players linking up, players passing the ball this time around, creating assists, and these things. Just that link up play between the players that is leading the front line. So we're going to get into that. But before we do that, people, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget also to smash the subscribe button. As you can see up here, people, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. We are just 1,000. We're in the 1,000 region to hit that 30,000 subscriber. Help us to get there, people. As we get, so I'm going to highlight. I'm going to show you guys the goals, and I'm going to just look at the build-up play and how the sequence plays out, and the importance of us having a team, especially when the front line, when all cylinders are kicking. Bless up, people. Let's get straight into it. So let me bring up the Google screen, so you guys can see what we are talking about. Let's get straight to the meat of the matter. We're gonna go. We're gonna go across to the first goal. I'm going across to the first goal, people. Give me a sec. Let me just give me a sec here. Yeah, just going across to the first goal. All right. This goal was scored. The first goal was scored by Demarai in the 14th minute. Let me just adjust this. Good. Get myself on screen. Yeah, get myself on screen, people. So let me just get myself on screen. Up top here. So let's have a look at the goal. Let's see if we can just have a proper look at the goal. So Michail is in possession now. Let me bring it back. Is that where? Alright, so this is the first goal. Goal scored by Demarai for his birthday. Demarai first goal for his birthday. Let's have a go. Let's have a look. Michail receives, cuts back, as you can see right there, cuts the defender, almost lost the ball right there. Bob Reed was right in front of him. He opted to not go to Bob Reed. Saw Leon Bailey on top. Finds Leon Bailey. At this point in time, I honestly believe that Leon Bailey was about to strike it. I honestly believe that Leon Bailey was about to hit that one with a thunderous strike. And I'm saying, pass the ball. Please don't pass the ball. I'm not saying pass the ball. But he opted and he made a wonderful pass. Demarai Gray, first touch, beautiful first touch, and slotted in. That's a cool, calm, and composed finish from Demarai Gray. Wonderful finish here from man. First goal for his birthday. As you can see, the supporters are dancing. Now let's go back. The three attackers are involved in this one. Michail, first phase of play. Second phase of play is Leon Bailey. Then now the finisher in Demarai Gray. Let's go now here. This here is a goal for another one of the attackers. Turn on the volume. That is Leon Bailey. Let me tell you, I honestly thought that was offside, because the distance he was between the defense line and in front and the goal. I'm like, how did he reach so fast? And then I realized, but Leon Bailey quick. Leon Bailey is quite fast. He has a lot of pace. And I said, oh yes. And I realized that that was really, really quick. And he take it extremely nicely. Hit that in the sweet spot. Really hit that in the sweet spot. I can see at that point in time there, waiting for the check. But look at the pass from Joel. Look at the pass. As you can see here, Joel is just about to hit the ball right there. Didn't know that he had those passes in his leg. Trying to find Bailey. Look at the trail leg right here. If you can see the cursor. The trail leg right there. And that's where Leon Bailey gone ahead. Over the top. Wonderful breakthrough. Perfectly timed run by Leon Bailey, and he slapped that home nicely. Coolly, calm, and composed. And that is what we want to see from Leon Bailey. Being productive, final third, being proactive in the final third, taking your chances when they come. Let's look at the final goal. Link up here. Let's see who is involved in this. Let's go. Put some wonderful recovery there. As you can see, that's a good press there from Kevin Lambert, who is having a brilliant campaign so far. And as he finds Michail Antonio right here. Michail Antonio had time, could have done any and everything. But key points to note here, people. One thing I want to know, look who is in the box. Leon Bailey is right here. Demarai is right here. These guys are definitely showing that hunger, that the desire to finish off the game. And that is what we want to see. Michail Antonio had too many options, basically. But guess what? Rather than being selfish, you know what he did? Let's have a look. He finds Demarai coming onto the ball. Demarai, empty goal, slots that inside the 18-yard box. And that is it. Cool, calm, and collected. Wonderful. I have to say, really, really good team effort by Michail Antonio. Showing class, not being selfish, showing what football is about, that football is a team sport. That's wonderful. That's really, really good sportsmanship, I have to say, from Michail Antonio, showcasing that he's not here to salvage everything for himself, but he's here to play as a team, play as a unit. And that's what we're asking for. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. When the opportunity arises, take your chance. If you see someone else in a better position, take your chance. And this time around, our front three, Michail Antonio with an assist and also a pre-assist. The assist to Demarai for the third goal, and also a pre-assist for Demarai first goal. Then Leon Bailey with an assist and also a goal, and Demarai with 2 goals. So you can see that the entire front three was heavily involved in getting this game over the line. Yes, we could have scored more goals, as Demarai mentioned it, that we need to be a bit more clinical or more lethal in the final third. But one thing for sure, I love the fact that the front three is linking up together to get the goals on board. Listen, the defenders were working their socks off. Midfielders were doing their work. Joel Latibodier and Kevin Lambert, they were doing a lot of work. All it needs now was the final piece of the puzzle, was the finishers to put the ball in the back of the net. And guess what we did? We have them putting the ball in the back of the net and also creating chance for each other. Wonderful performance from the Reggae Boyz front three, and this is what we want to see going forward from here, and keep on this continue and score more goals. I can't emphasize on it more. Score more goals, people. So, people, first I think about the front three's performance. Bless up, this is just my short analysis of the Reggae Boyz front three. Smash the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. As you can see, all players are involved in goals, and they have played well together and not been selfish, and we love to see that. Tell us what you think in the comment section. Don't forget, 30,000 subscriber. Our aim is to hit that. Big up, people. Smash the like button. Join the family. Welcome. Tell us what you think in the comment section. MG Sports TV. I'm out. Boom.